In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Perplexity verification code not received. If you're trying to sign in to your Perplexity account, but the verification code isn't arriving, don't worry. This is a common issue that can happen for several reasons, including an incorrect email address, delayed email delivery, spam filtering, or a temporary problem with the verification service. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several methods that can help you receive your verification code and regain access to your account. The first thing you should do is double-check the email address you entered. Make sure it's spelled correctly and that you're using the same email address associated with your Perplexity account. Even a small typo can prevent the verification code from being sent to the correct inbox. Next, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders. Verification emails can sometimes be filtered into these folders instead of appearing in your primary inbox. If you find the email there, you can mark it as not spam so future verification emails are easier to find. If the code still hasn't arrived, wait a few minutes before requesting another one. Email delivery can occasionally be delayed due to network traffic or temporary issues with your email provider. Avoid requesting multiple codes in rapid succession, as this may delay the process even further. You should also refresh your inbox or sign out of your email account and then sign back in. Sometimes your inbox simply needs to refresh before newly received messages appear. Another helpful step is to make sure your email inbox isn't full. If you've reached your storage limit, new emails may not be delivered until you free up some space. Deleting unnecessary emails can help resolve this issue. If you're using an email application, try opening your email directly through your email provider's website instead. This can help determine whether the issue is related to the email application rather than your account. If you continue experiencing the problem, try requesting the verification code from a different web browser or device. This can eliminate browser-related issues that may interfere with the verification process. Finally, if none of these solutions work, wait a little longer and try again later. Temporary issues with Perplexity's email service or your email provider can occasionally prevent verification emails from being delivered immediately. Once the issue has been resolved, request a new verification code and check your inbox again. After trying these troubleshooting methods, you should be able to receive your Perplexity verification code and complete the sign-in process successfully. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,